Introduction to Web Development. The session is about guiding beginners through the process of learning web development, addressing current trends and technologies in the hiring market, and highlighting common mistakes that new learners often make. Importance of web development. Web development is considered one of the most versatile skills to start with in tech, offering ample job opportunities whether you're a fresher or an experienced professional. It is easier to learn, implement, and build projects compared to other tech roles. 3 core areas. 1. Frontend. This is the user-facing part of the application where interaction happens, e.g., designing web pages. 1. Technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. 2. Backend. This deals with the server side of the application, handling things like databases and data processing. 3. Databases, storing data, e.g., messages, images, videos, that users interact with on the front end. Specialization. Once you gain experience, you can specialize in one of the 3 core areas: front-end, back-end, or databases. Alternatively, you could become a full-stack developer, handling both front-end and back-end, or focus solely on databases. Technologies for beginners. 1. HTML, used for creating the structure of web pages. 2. CSS, used for styling the elements on the page, such as layout and colors. 3. JavaScript, adds functionality to web pages, e.g. interactivity, form submissions. Learning path. 1. Start by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 2. Build simple projects such as clone websites or games to practice. 3. Avoid diving into frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js too early. 3. First, ensure you have a solid understanding of front-end, back-end, and databases. Useful resources. 1. MDN Docs, a great online resource for learning and troubleshooting. 2. Small projects. Build simple projects first, e.g. to-do lists, simple games, before attempting complex ones. Mistakes to avoid. Don't rush into learning frameworks or libraries like React or Angular without understanding the core technologies. These should come after you've built a strong foundation in front-end, back-end, and databases. This session should help guide beginners in web development, providing clarity on what technologies to focus on, what mistakes to avoid, and how to build a strong foundation.